Quick video before I go into my art room. I'm cooking crazy today. So, take a couple jars of spaghetti sauce, okay? Whatever you like. I have a vodka sauce in here and then another one. And then add a couple tablespoons of cream cheese. And what I'm doing right now, see it's still right there, is I'm melting it down, makes it kind of creamy, okay? So do that. Then, get your pan ready, butter it. That's some egg thing I made earlier. Then I got some chard, okay? Cut it up, or not cut it up, ripped it up. And then I put a tablespoon of olive oil in it. And I also put some bacon in it, because I cooked up some bacon today for the heck of it, because we like bacon. And then I cooked up a whole box of the Ziti. Ziti, am I saying it right? And then there's my sun-dried tomatoes, which I love. Take the sun-dried tomatoes and I'm going to mix it in there. I'll show you the rest in just a second. Okay, mix your Ziti in there and then add in your chard. Okay, here's the chard. It does have bacon in it, but I do cook, mostly vegetarian or vegan, whatever you call it. We don't eat a lot of meat, but we do like it once in a while. And the chard is just really in there to, it's good for you. I don't know if all the nutrients get cooked out when I mix it together, because I am going to bake it. But, and I'm going to add cheese on top, because I love cheese. And, but it's really just to make it look pretty and make it look, more appetizing when you eat it. And it might add something to the flavor. But as you can see, that looks a lot prettier now than it did a second ago before I added in there. Oh, okay, it's in the pan. I just have this cheese from, Safeway, I think? Cheddar and Jack. I like the thicker cut of it, like that, the steel cut. Okay, so you're just going to do that all over. I'm going to use this whole bag, 8 ounces. Put it over there. I'm going to bake it at 350 for 20 or 30 minutes. It's already cooked. So all I want to do is melt the cheese and kind of let the flavors mesh together. Okay? I think I'm holding my camera wrong. Like it's still bubbling. I just took it out, but after putting the cheese on it, but see, doesn't it look good? And that's just really simple, you guys. A couple boxes of pasta, a couple jars of pasta sauce. Doesn't matter, get it the cheapest you can find. Add some cream cheese into it. Maybe add some onions, some garlic, some salt, pepper, whatever you want. And then mix in your stuff. Add some, chop up some sun-dried tomatoes. Put that in there. And then I had chard. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Is it chard? Chard? I don't know. But C-H-A-R-D. And I got it organically. And I just ripped it up and put it put a tablespoon of olive oil on it. And then I added that in there. And I did cook bacon today. So I added some bacon bits, some little bacon bits. I don't know if that's one or not. In there, because I just decided to cook it up because we like to eat it sometimes. Anyway, and then there's that. Ta-da! And then I'll have that to take to work, and then I can warm it up after work because I work 10-hour days, and it ain't no way I am coming home and cooking.